Welcome, everyone, to a quick dive into the world of numbers. Today, we're unraveling a fundamental concept. What exactly is an integer? Think about counting things, right? One apple, two friends, three books. These are what we call whole numbers, starting from 0 and going up, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. They represent full, complete items. But what about when things go below 0? Like a really cold day at -5 degrees or owing a friend $2. These situations introduce us to negative numbers. They are the opposites of our positive whole numbers. An integer, simply put, is any whole number, whether it's positive, negative, or 0. So numbers like -3, 0, 5, -100, or 247 are all integers. What's not an integer? Well, things that aren't whole. So fractions like half a pizza or decimals like 3.75 are not integers because they represent parts of a whole, not complete units. Integers are everywhere, helping us count, measure temperature, track money, and understand positions above and below a reference point. They're a core part of how we make sense of the world numerically. Subscribe for more amazing facts.